Now see here the next question. Next question is draw a perpendicular to a line M. Now word used by them is line, not line segment. That means line should be like this way. Means whose starting point I don't know, whose ending point I don't know, what is the length of the line I don't know. Get it? Now the next lines they have written from a point F. Draw a perpendicular to a line M. This is a line M. From a point F on it means there exists any point F on this line. On this point F, I have to draw a perpendicular like this way. Means a line I have to draw such that this angle must be of 90 degree. This I want to do actually. Get it? So we are starting this question. Now see, I have drawn a line here. I am repeating the statement. Draw a perpendicular to a line M. I have firstly drawn a line M on my sheet. From a point F, somewhere here I marked point F also on it using ruler and compass. Means now we have to use scale and compass and we have to make a line like this way on this line. Get it? Firstly open the compass as much as you can. Open it, but be very sure one time you opened your compass should not move here and there. Get it? So firstly the first step is place the pointer of your compass on point F and mark the cut like this way on the line, and with the same measurement make the cut here also like this way. Means on both sides of the line you have to mark a cut. Get it? Now again open the compass. Now you can able to move your compass here and there. With the help of same measurement you have to mark the cut here also and here also. Now also open the compass as much as you can. The first step is now also after that no need to mark place the compass here and there. Now see, firstly place the pointer of the compass at this point where you have cut it firstly and mark the cut one upper side and one down side. Get it? And now place the pointer of the compass like this way and mark the cut one upper side and one down side. Now see, this is the point of intersection that I have darkened now, and downside this is the point of intersection. Now third step I am not going to do. So with the help of a scale like this way you have to draw a line like this way. This is very light. I think you people can't able to see it clearly, so I am darkening this line like this way. Now we have to write the steps of construction. So here the step number 1. Step number 1 is what? Firstly we have drawn this line. So firstly write it to draw a line M. Get it? Next step is mark any point F on it. Next step is place the pointer on point F and mark the two cuts here and here with the help of compass. Step number 3. Place the pointer on point F and mark two cuts. Let us say this cut name as A and this cut name as B, and mark two cuts A and B on a line. Get it? When you are cutting here these two cuts, be very sure your compass should not move here and there. Get it? Now step number 4. Step number 4 is place the pointer on point A and mark the cut, one upper side, one down side. Step number 5. Step number 5 is quite similar to this step number 4. All lines you have to write same. I am not going to write it. In place of A, now you just have to write place B, because now we have to open the compass like this way and mark the cut like this way. So everything should be same. Just in place of A you have to write B, nothing else. Everything should be same. Now see it here, call this point as G and this point as H, and the last step of ours is join GH, and our question is done. You can see it with the help of D. If you want to see that line that you have drawn, this angle must be of 90 degree.